Fresh na mga veggie. Talong. Magsa talong. Wow. Hi guys, so yan po yung mga fruits. Fresh talaga. Yan. Diba? Fresh. Yan. Yan. So ganito yung gusto niya Ron. Green apple. How much is that?
I don't know. 193.
Oh?
What?
193 only. Here.
Where?
Ayan. Here, yeah. Onions. I have to get onions. I still have one piece there, so I just need 3. Yeah. I know. I just want to choose the big one. Oh. I want the big one. All small. I want round. It's all small, honey. I want big. Fresh na mga veggie. Talong. Mas na talong. Wow. Mahal pa talaga si talong. 65 pesos. All fresh. Parang ang sarap mo. Ito yung price na gusto ni Ron. Sarap. Dito lang pala meron. Yan ang aking hari. Tapos namili si Manot. Nakahaba na naman siya sa pila. Ito yung turn. Kasi ano siya. Giling-giling. Yun na siya. Doon pala yung fine. Yan mga inay, tapos na po kami makapag-grocery ng aming foods for 1 week. Yan, kaya enjoy na naman po ang inay nyo. Dahil marami na naman food sa aming bahay. So bye everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.